The SEPLANSPACE Project Marine Special Planning Instruments for Sustainable Marine Governance has an international character and is implemented in cooperation with partners from Poland, Denmark, Sweden, Germany and Lithuania. The SEPLANSPACE Project leader is the University of Gdańsk. The project aims at increasing the know-how and knowledge on sustainable marine governance of the people engaged in maritime special planning issues in their daily work. The main vehicles serving the purpose are training and networking, according to the jointly prepared training curricula with a focus on national MSP approaches of the 5 South Baltic countries covered by the project. A key target group under SEPLANSPACE are professionals at local, municipal, administrative levels from companies and communities influenced by MSP, as well as students. The project aims at informing about MSP people outside special planners community and facilitating their easier engagement to MSP. The main project actions are following: joint preparation of a training program, an English language publication on international aspects of MSP, bilingual publication concerning the special development of marine areas and sustainable marine governance from perspective of countries involved in the project, workshops for around 300 MSP stakeholders from South Baltic countries training on MSP, those who are influenced and involved in MSP, both private and public sector. Launching and running of a web portal to assist the exchange of experiences and knowledge in relation to MSP in the South Baltic area. The project partners are EUCC Baltic Office Lithuania, Aalborg University, EUCC the Coastal Union Germany, Maritime University in Gdynia, Country Administrative Board of Kalmar, Center for Regional and Tourism Research from Bornholm. The partnership of SEPLANSPACE Project is crucial for strengthening transnational activeness and skilled labor force in the Baltic Sea Area. The SEPLANSPACE Project aims to strengthen the competences of those working of preparing to work in maritime special planning in the context of sustainable management of the sea, to supporting socio-economic development, including in particular in many areas of maritime economy. Educational activities aimed at strengthening competences in MSP are necessary in light of the obligation of European Union member states to develop maritime special plans on time. Training within the project are implemented in parallel by the SEPLANSPACE Project partners in 5 countries of the South Baltic in the form of workshops covering practical issues. The SEPLANSPACE Project addresses selected labor force challenges of the South Baltic Sea blue and green economy. Maritime special planning instruments such as the Marine Special Plan are aimed to organize the space for its sustained use, preventing conflicts between maritime space users and proper protection of the maritime environment are 2 important benefits, although not the only ones. SEPLANSPACE Project provides stakeholders with new skills which should increase the quality of the MSP dialogue and the number of people who understand the impact and influence of sustainable marine governance in their daily work related to blue growth. It is important to strengthen the interaction between its users. MSP is an open process of analyzing and planning marine space with temporal distribution of various types of human activities in the sea areas, leading to the achievements of economic, social and environmental goals. Planning process is subject to analysis of the use of the marine environment and its resources necessary for decision making.